Hi everyone, I'm Chanali Devanga from grade 9C of Sri Bodhiraja College. Today I'm going to read a passage about the wings of compassion. Okay, we'll move to it. If kindness is imagined as a beautiful dove, then wisdom is its wings. Compassion without wisdom never takes off. A Boy Scout performed his good deed for the day by guiding an old lady across a busy road. The trouble was she didn't want to go. She felt too embarrassed to tell him. The story unfortunately describes very much that goes by the name of compassion in our world. We assume too often that we know what the person needs. A young man born deaf was visiting his doctor accompanied by his parents for a regular checkup. The doctor excitedly told his parents about a new medical procedure which he had just read about in a medical journal. In 10% of people born deaf, full hearing can be restored through a simple, inexpensive operation. He asked the parents if they wanted to give it a try. They quickly said yes. That young man was one of the 10% whose hearing was fully restored. And he was so angry and upset with both his parents and the doctor. He hadn't heard what they were discussing at the regular checkup. No one asked him if he wanted to hear. Now he complained that he had to endure the constant torment of noise which he could make little sense of. He never wanted to hear in the first place. The parents and the doctors and myself, before I read this story, assumed that everyone would to hear. We know best. Compassion that carries such a confession is foolish and dangerous. It causes so much suffering in the world. So this is the end of my reading, and thank you for all of you.